Some smartwatches impress on day one, but only a few still feel relevant months later. This is one of those quiet upgrades that tends to grow on you the more you live with it. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on products that earn trust through daily use. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, the 40mm Bluetooth model for 2025. This watch is designed for people who want deeper health insight, practical fitness guidance, and a refined design that feels comfortable from morning to night. If you use an Android phone, especially within the Samsung ecosystem, this is immediately worth your attention. The purchase link is available in the description below. The Galaxy Watch 8 builds on Samsung's health-first approach, combining advanced sleep tracking, running guidance, heart monitoring, and Galaxy AI insights into a lighter, slimmer design. It matters in this category because it focuses less on novelty and more on helping users understand their bodies and routines over time. Reason number 1. Sleep guidance that influences real habits. Advanced sleep coaching goes beyond basic tracking by identifying patterns and offering practical bedtime guidance. Over time, this encourages healthier routines rather than just displaying raw data each morning. Reason number 2. Running feedback that adapts to you. The built-in running coach analyzes performance in real time and adjusts guidance based on effort and consistency. Structured plans for common race distances make training feel purposeful instead of generic. Reason number 3. Energy Score clarity. Energy Score combines sleep quality, activity, and heart rate into one clear daily metric. It offers a realistic snapshot of readiness that helps users pace their day more intelligently. Reason number 4. Lightweight comfort for all-day wear. The refined cushion design is thinner and lighter, allowing the watch to sit comfortably without pressure. This improves accuracy while making it easier to forget you're wearing it. Reason number 5. Vascular load awareness. Vascular load monitoring adds another layer to stress awareness by connecting heart strain with lifestyle factors. It's subtle, informative, and designed for long-term understanding rather than alerts. Reason number 6. Improved interface efficiency. The updated user interface presents essential information clearly at a glance. Notifications, health stats, and updates are easier to absorb without interrupting focus. Reason number 7. Dependable battery performance. Despite its slim profile, battery efficiency supports full-day tracking, notifications, and workouts. It's built to last through active days without constant charging anxiety. Reason number 8. Trust and ecosystem value. With a 2-year warranty and deep integration with Galaxy AI, this watch delivers dependable ownership. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it reflects a mature, well-supported platform. In final consideration, the Galaxy Watch 8 prioritizes meaningful health insights and comfort over flashy features. It lacks iOS compatibility and isn't designed for extreme endurance sports, but those limits are clear. This watch is best for Android users who value sleep quality, guided fitness, and thoughtful health metrics in a refined package. If that aligns with your goals, this is a confident choice worth considering.